everyone, this is Joanna from ATOMY Canada. Today we'll learn how to download Zoom, create an account, and how to join meetings. Let's get started. To install Zoom, type zoom.us/download in your browser. Now that we are on the Zoom homepage, let's click on Download. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for successful download. While it's downloading, let's click on the Sign Up, It's Free orange button. Enter your date of birth and click Continue. Let's write down your email address. You should be receiving an email from Zoom to get started. Now, click Activate Account in the email. By the way, if you have created a Zoom account before, you will receive an email notifying you of an existing account. In this case, go to the Zoom homepage, click on Sign In, and click on the option Forgot Password to create a new password. This way, you'll be able to recover and use the Zoom account again. Now, let's get back to creating your account. You will be directed to this welcome page. Now let's create your profile by filling the form with your first name, last name, and password. Here, click No to the message, are you signed up on behalf of a primary or secondary institution? After creating your profile, click Continue. You can skip this step to invite friends or colleagues. You have learned how to download and create your Zoom account. Now, let's join a Zoom meeting through computer. Let's start by setting your name on Zoom. If you have already set your name when creating your ID, you can skip this step. On your Zoom homepage, click on My Account on the top right corner of your screen. Now let's click on Edit next to your name. Now you'll be able to change your first and last name and display name. The display name is the name others will see while attending the Zoom meeting. Now, just save your changes. To join a Zoom meeting, you can either click on the meeting link you received from the host or enter your meeting ID and password. Click on Join with Audio to connect your audio with the Zoom. Now you are ready to join the meeting. Easy, right? To check if your name is in the right format, click on Participants on the bottom of your screen. Now, click on More and then Rename in order to change your display name in the meeting. Make sure to follow ATOMY Canada's name format by entering your mastership plus your name. Well, we learned how to join a Zoom meeting from the computer. Let's now learn how to join the meeting from your smartphone. Let's start by searching Zoom on your Apple Store or Google Store. Download the app and let's launch the Zoom app. Click on Sign Up. Just like the computer process, we will start by entering the date of birth. Now, write down your email, your first name and last name. Then tap Sign Up. Go find the activation email received from Zoom. Once again, you have to fill the form with your name, last name, password, and select No for the following question. After filling the form, click on Continue and skip the following steps. You have signed up from your smartphone. Simple, right? Now, all you have to do is to log in. In case your name is incorrect, click on Settings button on the bottom of your screen to modify basic information. How about entering your mastership followed by your full name, like this? Now, to join a meeting, click on the link you have received from the host and you'll join the meeting right away. Today we learned Zoom basics. You can now download the app and join meetings easily. Stay tuned for the next episode of Smart Atomian's Guide and we'll learn how to host a Zoom meeting. Thank you everyone and see you in the next episode.